Hello everyone, myself English Lakshmi. Today's date is 23 March 2022. Today's my biological topic is hash map. So let's discuss about hash map. Hash map is a class of implement the map interface which allows us to store the key and value pair. Where the key should be unique. If you try the insert the duplicate key, it will replace the element of corresponding key. It is to perform the operation using the key index like updation, deletion, etc. The hashmap class is found in the java.ut package. Hashmap in Java is like a legacy hash table class, but it is not synchronized. It allows us to store the null element as well, but there should be only one null key. Since the Java 5 it denote the hash map in generic, you can write any variable like a, b, c, where we can write key and v. So where key stand for the key and v for stand for value. It inherit the abstract map class and implement the map interface. The important point is remember in hash map. The Java hash map contain value based on the key. Second one is the hash map contain only unique key. Third one point is the Java hash map may have one null key and multiple null value. Fourth one point is Java hash map is a non-synchronized. As well as the next point is the Java hash map is maintained no order. It maintained no order. And next one point is it initializes the default capacity of Java hash map class is 16 with the load of factor of 0.75. Okay. Now let's discuss about hierarchy of hash map class. The hierarchy of hash map class it extend the abstract map class and implement the map interface. The hash map is found in we can declare for the java.util.hashmap class. The hashmap class parameter for the parameter java.util hashmap class is k. It is the types of key it maintained by this map, and v its type of map values. So now let's see the constructor of hashmap class. The constructor of hashmap class, the hashmap method, it is used to construct the default hashmap. Next one is hashmap in bracket map in generic. You can write any key. The questions map, the extent of the key, and the extent of v2 greater than the m bracket in bracket. It is used to initialize the hash map by using the element of the given map object is m. Next one is hash map in bracket in capacity. In bracket it means it passes the in capacity. It is used to initialize the capacity of the hash map to given integer value capacity. The next one is hash map. It passes the int capacity float load factor. It is used to initialize the both of capacity and load factor of hash map by using its argument. Okay. Now let's discuss about the method of hash map class. First one is void clear method. Void clear method it is used to remove all the mapping from this map. Second one is boolean empty method. Boolean empty method it is used to return the true if this map contains the no key value mapping. Second one is object clone method. Object clone method it is used to return the shallow copy of this map hash map and instant the key and value themselves are not given. Next one is set entry set method. It is used to return the collection view of mapping and it contains this map. And next one is boolean remove method. It passes the object key object value It is used to remove the specified value with the associate specified key from the map. Okay, so this is all about method, and this is small information about hash map. Thank you.